Hidden among the lush forests of Costa Rica, a flash of turquoise and green may suddenly catch your eye. It's a motmot, one of the country's most iconic and beautiful birds. Costa Rica is home to 6 species of motmots, a remarkable group of forest dwellers known for their vibrant plumage and long racquet-shaped tails that sway from side to side. Most motmots live deep within the tropical forests, though some species are also easy to spot along forest edges and even in gardens, a wonderful gift for bird lovers and casual observers alike. These birds are skilled hunters. The bill is strong and serrated, meaning it has fine, saw-like edges. This helps them grip food better, but the bill has a second crucial job: excavating their nesting burrows in earth banks. But digging is no easy task. It's hard work that sometimes comes at a cost, even chipping or damaging their powerful bills. In Costa Rica, most motmots are quite common within their preferred habitats. The Lessons motmot can be seen in forests on both the Caribbean and Pacific slopes. On the Caribbean side, the rufous motmot and the broad-billed motmot thrive in the dense, humid forests. Meanwhile, the turquoise-browed motmot is a star of the dry forests in the northwest. However, finding all 6 can be a challenge. The Keel-billed Motmot is rare and is restricted to a narrow strip along the northern Caribbean foothills, while the tiny Tody Motmot has a patchy distribution, found mostly around the volcanic foothills of northern Costa Rica. If you're exploring Costa Rica, you might spot several motmot species on your own. But for those elusive too, the keel-billed and the Tody Motmot, your best chance is with the help of a local expert guide. Graceful, colorful, and endlessly fascinating, the motmots are true jewels of Costa Rica's forests, a symbol of the country's rich and thriving biodiversity. Visit BirdnWild.com to find local expert guides and plan your ultimate birding and wildlife adventure.